Filter delay. So the filter delay is somewhat obsolete because of the echo, but let's check it out to see what it can do. Here I have just a chord with an arpeggiator. I did use the Max for Live arpeggiator and just a patch I made in Wavetable. Let's load the filter delay. Now the filter delay by default has 3 delay lines and output also the dry signal. Now the one difference here between regular delay effects that we don't really have a dry wet knob. We have separate volume for each delay line and a volume for the dry signal. So let's keep it as it is right now. Here we have 3 delays, although they're tagged with left and right, meaning center and right, they can be panned in any way you want. So let's go over one of them. They're all exact duplicates of one another. So first here we have a built-in filter for the delay. I'm actually going to turn off the other delays and just focus on this one. Let's first of all go to the panning. Go to the center. That's good. So here we have the built-in filter for the delays. Let's turn down the dry so we can hear the filter better. So you can change the frequency from here and the width, or also from just this graph. Here we have the delay time, which is by 16th note, so 1/16th note, 2/16th note, 8th notes. And all the way up to 16th notes, which is a whole bar. Nice. We can also offset the delay itself, or the timing of the delay. This is very useful when you have 2 delay lines. So let's go actually pan it left and right. Let's have them both on the same. Let's do 8th notes. Let's start offsetting them. And you can create some really nice thickening stereo effects, because now the delays are on 8th notes, but they're slightly offset, shifted off time. So that's that. We can also, let's turn the right, go back to the middle. We can also unsynchronize it, so now it's by milliseconds. And here we have the classic feedback knob, how much the signal is getting feedback into the input to create longer delay lines. So I'm just going to hit spacebar twice so we can only hear the beginning of the sound and hear the length of the feedback. So this is no feedback, it's only going to repeat once. Oh, let's bring up the dry. And if we bring up the feedback, then we get longer repetitions, or more repetitions for the delay. Here we have the panning, that we can pan each delay unit to wherever we want, and of course the output volume. Now you can also right click on the delay title and change the mode of how it reacts to time changes. So by default it's fading to the new time change as I change it while it's working. Okay, just fading into it, but we can also change to repitch, which make it similar more to like a tape echo, where it's actually going to repitch as you change the time. Let's go to the free time, not synchronized. Let's do a high feedback. Let's take down the dry. Let's play that. Nice, so that's the filter delay, 3 delays in one. Somewhat obsolete because of the echo, but because you just have 3 of them kind of in one package, you can do a lot of interesting things, especially when automating and modulating the different parameters.